Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I greet you according to your time. It's me again, Mama Virtuous TV. Yeah. So today I want to talk about this video that is flying on social media. This video, then they cut, they share, they go. This brother and sister, where they say one day America, one day Napoli, a bit IT. So this their naked picture with them just they share, they go. So now I want to talk put small here. So that video, as I see that video, because someone sent it for me on my WhatsApp, immediately I received I saw the video. The video was so disgusting. Yeah, it was so disgusting. So why I decided to make video, I know many people when I don't see them, I don't hear them, but me too, I want to talk my opinion. But the video, I will not show it here because I know YouTube will not allow such, and I will not even show their picture. I will never share their picture on this video. So I just want to give them opinion the way I thought about it as well. And moreover, uh, such video, it don't take away with the talk to them. Even before me open social media, many people don't they talk about this kind of thing. May we not they do such video. May we not they do naked video for people. People they take and they take and come they cut and they share and they go or take and blackmail people. So you don't tell who they talk about them or my fellow presenter they don't talk about such video. So you now see that video now where be say e just dey fly they go now for here, they fly they go for Facebook and YouTube now. Okay, see that lady now when e be say in with this guy do this video now, like the last video when I lis ten to yesterday when I came back from work, allergic to, because they say no be the person, no be the guy wey dem do the video together, no be share that video. Na person intruder wey go type their line, all those intruder, how can I hack that video, come dey share am dey go take dey blackmail dem. E take am blackmail dem because dem refuse to pay what dem ask for, na e come bring the video come out outside, come dey share am dey go. So my people, abeg make we dey try to dey wise, because every day things dey happen, and social media dey try, dey try because they like to dey bring the things to you people awareness. Make una no dey do such video with anybody wey be say no be your husband. Make una no dey do am to dem. Come do that kind video call with your boyfriend wey yawa go gas tomorrow. Now you no know whether e save am, you come take am dey blackmail you dey go. Make we stop to dey do such video. Even though you want to even do am with your wife, for example, you say you no be man wey dey stay house, you be traveler, you wan do am with your wife. If your wife still do am or you not do am, una go delete am immediately. Una go delete such video so that through the case of a scarcity, if una come lost una phone, if una come lost such phone like that, anybody wey see am pick, e fit go inside that phone, e go bring all the privacy wey una think say una get for inside that phone, e go bring everything come out. So abeg, if una two couple do such video, immediately una watch am, una go delete am. As you dey delete am for gallery, still go to google stay app, go delete am, and still get that app again wey still dey store video for inside phone. I don forget the name of that one. Make una dey delete am, no be such video, because you no know when you go lost your phone. You no know when you go lost your phone. Okay, like this one now wey happen now, no be say na phone the person lost now. Na how can I hack that video? Intruder, na intrude. They come take the video now. All those people will be say they no wan work, they wan depend on people sweat. Una see am. Such video still happen 4 years ago. It still happen 4 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. There was a lady, this one na pastor wife. This pastor wife, e dey here, whether na Jamie hear the thing for happen sef. Im husband travel go Nigeria. As im husband travel go, na im husband be pastor, why the wife dey here. Now he tell im wife say make im wife do such video for am. Make im wife do video wey be say if e be say e dey rub cream. So na so he come call her wife, make her wife do such video for am, maybe where she dey rub cream, make e video am, make e bring am for am. Na so the lady do. As e dey rub cream, na so dey video herself, as e dey naked, e dey video. E video finish now, you see where luck come run against her. She wan forward that video. Instead of her to send her to her husband, mistakenly he come send her to WhatsApp group for church. He come send such video to WhatsApp group for church, and people wey still get am, wey be say dem no get the fear of God now, they come share that video. That naked video, e come go viral. E come go viral. Pastor, wife, privacy, everything come go viral. Now last the way husband come back from Bongo, now his husband come do video, come beg people, say him wife, he no shit on him, because people begin dey broadcast and say, hey, say when I come see pastor wife, oh, he don dey go dey shit on his husband, oh. Last now his husband come out, come still talk for social media, say na him send him wife make he do such video for her. Na mistake he go take send her for WhatsApp group. Why be say the people now they come dey share and they go? You see am? Now so make we stop such thing, because now anything wey we know say go destroy our image. Anything wey we know say go destroy our image, make we no dey do am, dey keep. Because phone no be everlasting property, because one day you fit dey inside bus, public transport, dem go steal am from your bag. Then some people dey shook hand for person pocket carry phone, or sometimes you fit sit down, go fall from your bag, people go carry am. Such person phone, if such thing dey inside, people wey go carry am, dem go upload am. Dem go upload am, begin share that thing wey baba and mama suppose carry cloth cover. Dem go dey share am dey go. Abeg my people, make we dey try, make we dey be careful, because this era, we are era of social media. This is era of social media. Nobody go dey without social media. Everything na social media. Abeg, make we dey, anything wey we say go destroy our image for social media, make we dey try to dey depart from it. We have to be careful how we use social media. How we have to be careful. Please see that lady now. I think they say it's 50-something years old. If that woman children now, because they say e get 2 children, if the children come see such video now of their mother now, how the woman go feel? How the children go feel? Even the woman herself, how she go feel? Wetin e go tell the children say e see when they do follow another man wey be say no be even his husband, they do that kind of video? Wetin e go come tell the children? A woman of 50-something, at least go don get grown-up children wey be say they don't get sense. So me, I no understand. We know say stress full everywhere. If you na stress, you wan calm your brain down. Napoli where you dey, or this woman, may full Napoli. I be no may get for Napoli. All those Igbo guys wey full Napoli, they don't finish. You leave people wey dey with you for Napoli, or for Italy, you can't go fight for America. Maybe now you no even get P now we want to travel to America. Just because of say that name America, now you don't have one chance for social media. You don't have one chance for social media. That way they share, they go now. People they share and they go now. Your family come see and why you which kind face you go take face your family, or your children come see such thing. Which kind face you take face them? I beg my people, maybe they use our iroro according to Parara. Maybe they use our iroro to they do things. Maybe they use our sense. Not be everything person go they do, because this kind of thing don't tell where they happen, and if they happen, they spread. People they share am for social media, they share am for Facebook, share am for YouTube. They talk about this kind of thing. Why you people go consider fall victim now? Why? I beg my people, may we try, may we use our IQ, whether na IQ they call am, or our sense, or our may we try. May we know they do such in the way go they bring scandal, they come our family, because such family now we go see this kind of video now, this naked video they share, they go now, they no go take them easy, they no go like them. Now disgrace now be this, or your children come see am tomorrow. Which kind eye their friends go continue to look there for school or for working place? Say that they share their mama nakedness, the picture they go. I beg my fellow sisters, may we try to use our sense. May we not do all those things again. If you even want to do them, say you want to do. If you do them with your husband, you try. Tell your husband to delete it as soon as possible. Even you that even send it, you will delete it as soon as possible. I beg. Social media, you not safe. You not safe. Now everything we they see for social media, not the way they not they see. You see now, all those jobless people, boys now, will be hacker, way in Africa now they do all those things, they go. They want to blackmail them just because of same money. Waiting go profit you. You get the whole world and lose your soul. Waiting go profit you. As you can't share that picture, they go now. Where be everybody come they mock, look and now they laugh now. What do you want gain? What you want give for such video? I beg my people. So I just make I come still talk my for here. Make una dey use una sense. Make we stop that thing wey go dey bring scandal to our personality. It's very bad. So now I see make I come talk for here. Okay, make I end the video here. I don't want to make it too long. At least I think it's almost about 10 minutes already. Make I leave her here. And if you're the first time when you come across my video on YouTube, you haven't subscribed, please don't hesitate to subscribe for Mama V. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Should in case anytime I upload a new content, you will be the first person when you go see them. So if you never see the video, you want to see them, not be from my hand. Here you go see them. You go see them for Facebook, or maybe you go see them for other YouTube channel. Although na Facebook, because for you nobody wey YouTube go allow me to show such video for their channel. So I believe like Facebook you will see such thing. Somebody will send her for me now. What's up before send her? As I say, I'm now delete instantly because my children they take my phone in place sometimes. I can't leave such thing on my phone. So that is it. Thank you very much, my listener. God bless you. As you see this video, give it thumbs up. Share this video. Share it for your friends and well-wishers so that they can also listen and learn. And give me thumbs up. And anything you think of this video, write it on the comment section there so that we can know how you took, how your thought or how you think about that video they are sharing. And if you haven't seen the video that they are sharing, maybe one day you will see it on what they call it, Facebook. Okay, so I will end the video here. Follow me on my Instagram, Mama V True Words TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama V True Words TV. Thank you very much. We'll see you again in my next video. Bye.